dashboard. It is in place, everything is okay, and now it is the time to install the center console. Location for the new handbrake. I have a problem with handbrake because the half of the handbrake in this side of the transfer keys. Here I have open place 30 millimeter flat and 5 millimeter. The gear lever must be in this side. So first I start with make the nuts in the body to fasten the gearbox, the center console, then and the center the lock diff. It is exactly under the side of the handbrake. So that's another problem. I have to search and solution. First I start with to make the nuts in the body, then I go to search a solution for all problem. I'm very happy to finish the dashboard with the new steering. I overhaul the steering column, Alpine Haloline screen, ultrasound alarm system.